Casey Lund. Goal! The Eagles have done it. The Eagles have made history. Casey Lund, and Lund with a straight boot goal. Eagles take the lead 2-1. In the last few years, El Segundo's high school soccer program has gone from a group of underdogs to back-to-back champions. Winning the CIF championship back in 2018 and 2019, the Eagles have become one of the elite soccer programs in Southern California. Since the last championship, we've seen a lot of changes. All the players from those championship teams have since graduated and moved on, but one constant remains the same: head coach Andrew Kelly. Coach Kelly is back and ready to lead by example as the El Segundo Eagles prepare for their 2021-2022 soccer season. The team is hard at work in training camp, and with a few new faces on the team this year, they are looking ahead at another successful season on the pitch. The team knows what it's going to take to get back at the top of the soccer mountain. If they stay on track, work hard, and fight until the end, they too might end up in the history books. These are the El Segundo Eagles, and they are ready to soar into the upcoming soccer season. I'm Agir Deliu, reporting for El Segundo Media.